In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to break down complex topics into simple, easy to understand explanations. First, I navigate to the Perplexity website to get started with a new search. In the main prompt box, I'm going to type a specific request for the AI to explain the concept of quantum computing. I'm using the Explain Like I'm 5 framework and asking for a simple analogy, like a spinning coin, while also requesting citations from academic or tech news sources to ensure accuracy. After I click the search button, Perplexity quickly synthesizes a response that skips the technical jargon. Next, I'll try a different approach by asking the AI to explain how a neural network works. This time, I'm asking for an analogy about a group of friends deciding on a movie and requesting a comparison table between a brain cell and a digital neuron. The AI generates a helpful visual guide and a narrative that describes a neural network as a big team of friends helping each other. It breaks down the process into layers, where friends vote on different movie features until they reach a final choice. Finally, it presents a clear table that compares how biological cells and digital neurons process signals and work together. Using these types of prompts makes even the most intimidating subjects feel manageable and accessible for any age group. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.